Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month. I know I always say that, but it's only when I get Bead subscriptions because those are my favorite days of the month. But this is from Sam's, and he has the cutest little packaging. It's Christmassy, and cheers, your Sam's Bead box has arrived. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Or open up the package. Look, it's even cute on the inside. He's got some washi tape with little puppies. Look, this one looks like Goldie. I love it. That's so cute. And don't forget, you could save $5 off your first box by using coupon code Turquoise at the link below, which is samsbeadbox.com. So every month, Sam includes a key to what's in the box and a little note, which I love reading. So this month's box is Holiday Cheer. I have such fond memories of this time of year growing up. I loved lighting Hanukkah candles and making huge batches of latkes, which are fried potato pancakes with my family. I also remember it as a busy time of year for my choir. One year we joined the, I'm going to say San Francisco Symphony to sing the soundtrack to The Snowman in 1982, or The Snowman 1982, as the movie played. In high school, my voice teacher and friend Roz brought me into the fold of planning her yearly holiday party, which always included a group sing-along with plenty of loud opera singers and amazing butterscotch scones. This month's bead box is a reflection of all these holiday memories with a color palette of rich jewel tones and metallics for extra shimmer. Our featured items this month are a collection of Tierracast hammer tone drops, a house-made star rice bead mix. Oh, okay. I was like, what's a rice bead? But a house-made star rice bead mix. I'm interested to see what that is. Sparkling preciosa crystals, and gorgeous deep blue tiger eye rounds. I hope this month's collection puts a smile on your face and inspires you to create. Use the beads together for a holiday theme or take these rich tones in your own creative direction. If you make something, share it in our Gem Chat group on Facebook using the hashtag SamsBeadboxDecember 2021. You might just win our monthly prize. Happy holidays, Sam of Sam's Bead Shop. That is so cool. So if you want to take a screenshot, here is the box contents. And let's get started. I'm not going to go in any order because they're everything. He labels everything so well. The thing that's jumping out at me right away are these Czech glass drops, blue iris. I love that blue iris. So 8 by 15 millimeter, 12 pieces. These are so yummy. I think those would look really cute with some bows. I'm on a bow kick ever since that Christmas necklace I made. Next we have some Preciosa Crystal Bicone Celsian. Hoping that's how you say that. 5 millimeter. Almost 4 grams, about 25 pieces. They're so sparkly. They're so pretty. These are gorgeous. That's like the color of one of my birthstones anyway. And then, oh, these are pretty. Czech glass Druck round ornaments, bronze luster, 12 millimeter, 8 pieces. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love these. And they're kind of, oh, I was like, what's that band? I think that's my light. Some things are reflecting like a stripe through them, but they're you can kind of see through them. They look like old mirror to me. These are awesome. Oh, those are beautiful. I thought they were pearls at first. Ooh, some leaves. I love this color. Czech glass wavy leaf, emerald teal, 10 by 15 millimeter, 12 pieces. These are beautiful. I love those. I think Sam likes that color because I've seen that color from Sam's Bead Box before, but I don't mind because I like that color too. Ooh, what do we have here? It says house-made seed bead mix, double bagged, so you're not getting any anything, anywhere. That is a really cool mix. I'm leaving it in the bag because we all know my beads will be everywhere, but it's very pretty jewel tones. Some red, blue, green, and gold. And there might be another color, maybe like a purple. Those are really pretty. They're teeny tiny though. And then, ooh, these are pretty. Czech glass cathedral emerald, 8mm, 20 pieces. I'm loving the green. I love that with the Picasso on the ends. Those are gorgeous. Those actually look like emeralds. What I think emeralds should look like anyway. Matte gold plated hematite chips. I haven't seen any matte gold hematite before. These are really pretty. I love that. That is really cool. I like that matte gold look. I'm trying to decide what we're going to make for, like, I know I'm going to have to make something with this for the 25 days of Christmas, but I always make something for my unboxing videos, so I'm trying to get ideas. I don't want to get caught up. I don't want to not do something in this video because I'm doing something in another one, right? So, ooh, these are pretty. Lacy coin, Czech glass, clear copper, 13mm, 5 pieces. Those are pretty. Those are gorgeous. Oh, these are pretty. We have house-made color. Oh, okay. So here's the star rice bead mix. Okay, my mind is blown because there are 2 house-made mixes. Okay, I like it. I like it. This makes more sense. These are really pretty. These are really pretty, and they look like a vintage ornament, don't they? Just like that little star. I love those. I think in like my brain after I create with this will make me sort these though, so I can put them, because I would not use this as a color blend normally, so I'll have to put like the purple with purple, the tan with tan, blue and green with green. I can't keep those together. My brain's not letting me do that. Normally I can do it, but not today. Oh, these are really pretty. Czech glass filigree ovals, red holly, 12 pieces. I love those. It's not so much like the bead shape, it's the bead color and how glossy they feel. They kind of feel like really pretty stones. I love those. That color is amazing. Then we have fire polish faceted round, holly luster, 6mm, 25-piece strand. These are nice. I know I don't have these. I've been dipping into my red Czech glass this week, so I know I don't have these. These are really nice. Maybe a bracelet with these. The last 2 bead boxes from Sam have inspired me to do bracelets, so I don't know if I'll keep on that kick or not. We'll see what we end up making with this box. These are really pretty. Faceted long drops, emerald bronze, 8 by 20mm, 6-piece strand. I love those. My first thought is make earrings, but then I end up giving all my earrings away or selling, or no, I actually don't sell earrings, giving them away or donating them. And then I'm like, well, there go my beads. I don't have them anymore. Czech glass daisy spacer metallic bronze, 5.5mm, 50-piece strand. I know we've gotten these daisy spacers before, but I really love having them in colors, and I actually use some in my day 13 Christmas video, so in red. So I love that. I love getting these. I actually do use them. Tierracast gold-plated hammer tone teardrop earring pair and a pendant. Let's see. Oh, these are pretty. They are bright gold, but they're very pretty. Okay, so this one's slightly bigger than those 2. So those 2 and then the larger pendant. Those are lovely. Maybe we'll make something with those. I don't know yet. Then we have some, ooh, blue. I love these. kind of remind me of the bat signal. Czech glass table cut oval sapphire Picasso 10 by 14 millimeter, 5 pieces. Isn't that cool? I can't really tell on these, but the way it's cut, it looks like there's almost like there's one full dot, but it's cut to make like look like there's 3. Those are neat. Those are very neat for earrings. Maybe I'll make some earrings from those. See, the issue I have with 5 pieces is it's hard to make earrings with 5 pieces. So I would prefer either 4 or 6, because normally when you're looking at Czech beads, the thing that comes into my mind is earrings, and I need an even amount unless you do asymmetrical earrings. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Czech glass textured drop matte pendant, matte bronze, 38 by 24 millimeter, 1 piece. Look at that. This looks like raku, doesn't it? And I actually got some raku in the mail today. This looks like raku. It is so cool. And I have so much, I have a lot of the metallic looking finished Czech glass from Sam's shop. So that will actually go really well with that stuff. I'm going to save that for a separate project. I kind of have it in mind already. This is beautiful. I love this pendant. I think this is my favorite thing in here so far. We've got a few more things. Czech glass Czech glass faceted round blue iris, 8 millimeter. I love larger fire polished beads. These are beautiful. I love that color. We have Pyrite faceted rounds, 5 to 6 millimeter, 7-inch strand. These are really pretty, and they're hefty. Like I'm always used to like fire polish, and this looks like fire polish, but it's not. It's pyrite, so it's a little heavier. Love it. Those are really pretty. These actually would go really well with this pendant. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. I really like those. And a deep blue tiger eye round dyed 10 millimeter 10-piece strand. And these are lovely. I don't have any tiger eye that's that blue. My goodness, I have some teal, but that is a blue tiger eye. I love this box. This box is really classy and really pretty. And he sent 2 mints. Thank you so much. It's really pretty. So this is probably number 3 in the boxes that I've like in my number, like the 3rd spot for my favorite box this year. My favorite one was last month's, and then the second favorite was May's. And it's funny that I can even remember the months attached to the boxes that Sam has sent, because his boxes have made an impact or an impression on me. So I always remember which month was which box. I don't normally do that with other boxes. I'll be like, oh yeah, I think it was this month. But I know for sure May was a great box, November was a great box, and now I know that December was a great box. This is really pretty. My favorite things, definitely these, the pyrite, and these emerald. Emerald, everything is my favorite. Emeralds and these things. So these 5 things are my favorite, but literally everything is so gorgeous. I'm going to plan out something to make with this, and I'll be back. Okay, so we're going to do a 5-minute earring. I decided to do that because I'm going to be doing a whole video for the 25 days of Christmas using this kit or this box. So I just wanted to do something really quick for this video. I'm going to use 1 bead from the Czech glass table cut oval sapphire Picasso set, 1 bead from the fire polish faceted rounds in holly. I'm going to use the earring findings from the Tierracast teardrops, and then I just have an ear wire, head pin, and eye pin, or eye pin and a head pin, whichever way you want to look at it. So here are my 2 beads. For the blue bead, I'm going to make it into a dangle. I am going to make it a little bit of a larger loop, because if you look at our drop, this is a little bit, the loop has a little bit more to go around, so I want to make a larger loop. And we're going to do that for the red bead as well. So I'm just cutting it a little bit longer than I normally would. Just a simple loop. You can absolutely wire wrap it, but I don't know that I have the dexterity, to be honest, to get that in there like that. So I'm just going to do a simple loop. It'll look the same, to me at least. We're just going to hook that in there. And we're going to make sure that it comes around. We don't want to hook it that way. Like, we need to hook it on the inside of the drop down here. So there we go. And that could be a really cute earring just by itself, for sure. So then I am going to take my red bead and put it on my eye pin. This is actually going to become the top of the earring, because again, I need it to be a little bit wider. The hole, or the loop needs to be a little bit larger to go around that large piece. And then we'll just hook that in there. And I am just going to open my ear wire. And hook on our piece. And actually this one, our little bead is kind of going sideways, which I actually kind of like, but either way, you could tighten that up a little bit so it won't go anywhere, but I don't mind. So here is our pair of 5-minute earrings, and they're so pretty and regal and perfect for the holiday season, for fall, for winter. These are probably more wintry, but going into the new year, I really love this color combo. So thank you to Sam, and thank you for watching. Again, if you want to save $5 off your first box at Sam's Bead Box, you can use coupon Turquoise at samsbeadbox.com. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for the day where I'll use this box for Christmas tutorials, and then stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Are you laying on Mommy's lap because she has a blanket on? Yeah, you're a sucker for a blankie. Yeah, you are. You did tell me. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl?